this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Now I'm again with another jacket to review with you guys. So these are bought in Andorra, a leather jacket you can see in front of me. Lovely looking, very high quality. Price could be 80 to 150 euros or dollar, depend where you want to buy. So normally Andorra is tax free, so I paid 80 euros for this. You see how good inside. So it's for high temperature. When the weather is down minus, you can use this one. You see it's very thick, and as a blanket you feel inside. Lovely quality of leather. Chains are very high quality here we have, and at the hand there is no button and nothing as this, or no chain. At the shoulder you can see how it is. Beautiful biker jacket in this case. This one biker, absolutely no doubt about this. So let me show you more at the top. Take out the hanger, this one from here. So let me show you. The brand is Tiffosi. I don't know, this is French. Bata. It says Tamaño Tache, so I think it's French, could be, I'm not sure. People write at the comment if you know this brand information. See tiffosi.com. Menswear, outfit, your attitude. Medium the size. Lovely jacket. Here you can see inside there is a pocket as well inside here. And more information of this one, let's see if it's made in from where. Okay, here it says that something as .fr, so this is French. So you can see how the material is, guys. Very high quality stitching everywhere. You can see the chain, a durable strong chain or zip you can say, and the branding is Tiffosi as well. So I think it's very high quality product, no doubt. So I'm gonna put this on now. Let me put this on. It's quite hot, I can feel, so it will protect you in high, very low weather, I should say, not high. The quality here and how it looks. It goes on the back side. You can see the structure of the jacket. You can see here how it is. You can put a pendant as this, you can put a chain, something as this. See how, see my shoulder tight, good, not loose. So I'm gonna tighten my chain. Put here, I tighten my chain, so it's perfect fitting for me, medium size. You can see how it is with the closing. I go more backwards in this. You can see how it looks. Can use with the jeans. I have a jeans here. I have 175, 76 meter. So perfect, the size medium is tight fit for me for the bike riding. So I can go in this position riding. So you can see, lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.